Every time a new technology changes the world, people ask the same question: will it replace us? They asked it when calculators become popular. They asked it when computers arrived. They asked it when internet transformed our lives. And today, everyone is asking the same question about artificial intelligence. Will AI replace network engineers, developers, doctors? The answer isn't as simple as yes or no. So, welcome back to my channel. In the previous episode, we learned about artificial intelligence, what artificial intelligence is, and how it turns from data and different types of AI. Today, we are going one step further. We are going to understand the differences between the artificial intelligence and the augmented intelligence. These two terms sound similar, but they describe two very different ways of using AI. Artificial intelligence is about making a machine perform a task that normally needs human intelligence, such as recognizing a face, translating a sentence, detecting a network fault, writing a block of code. The goal is simple: enable the machine to perform the task on its own. Whereas augmented intelligence is the use of artificial intelligence to assist humans, not replace them. Augmented intelligence is the use of artificial intelligence to assist human, not replace them. It has a different goal. It's not trying to replace you, it's trying to make you better at your job. Think of it as an extremely capable assistant. It handles the repetitive work, processes huge volumes of data, and hand you a recommendation as well. But but the final decision, the one with the real consequences, still belong to the human. You can take an example of Google Map. Google Map calculates the fastest route, but does it force you to take it? No. You can ignore it and take the other route instead. Here, the Google Map assist, you decide. That's augmented intelligence. Let's take another example like medical diagnosis. An AI model can flag a suspicious shadow on an X ray, but it doesn't sit down with the patient and explains what it means. The doctor does. So AI plus human, not AI instead of human. The AI helps the doctor here, it doesn't replaces the doctor here. That's again augmented intelligence. Another example is network engineering or a NOC dashboard. Now imagine you are responsible for 500 routers or more. Suddenly one router develops a fault. BGP session starts resetting. Interfaces began flapping and hundreds of alarms starts appearing on your screen. No engineer can read and analyze all of these alarms in real time, but AI can. In just few seconds, it groups related alarm together, identify the most likely root cause, and even suggest where you should start troubleshooting. But here's the important part. Should AI automatically fix the problem? Not always. It doesn't know there's a maintenance window. It doesn't know that this router is carrying the traffic for an important customer. And it doesn't understand the business risk of making the wrong change. AI provides the analysis. The engineer makes the decision. That's augmented intelligence. Let's look at some of the differences between augmented intelligence and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence focuses on performing tasks by itself. The goal is automation. You give it a task and it tries to complete it even with minimal human involvement. Whereas augmented intelligence, on the other hand, is about helping humans perform the task better. The goal isn't to replace it, it's to collaborate with them by providing insights, recommendation, or automating only the repetitive parts. So the key difference is uh, artificial intelligence works independently and augmented intelligence works with humans. So some of the key takeaway from this session is artificial intelligence tries to perform intelligent tasks, whereas augmented intelligence helps human perform this task better. The future isn't about human versus AI. It's about human working with AI. So the professional who learn to use AI will likely have an advantage over those who ignore it. So today we learned the differences between artificial intelligence and augmented intelligence. In the next episode, we'll discuss generative AI and its use cases in the simplest way possible. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.